Hi YouTubers, how are you? Another video about my moped. That's the date when I bought it, and I already had the problems. So that's why I decided to do a little bit upgrade. So if you can record this here, I just took like a terminal, like a loops or whatever the name is. Ring terminals, thank you. And I unscrewed this and put it back. And I did for every single battery. So this battery it's a little bit messy, but plus and minus, plus and red, minus is, of course, see, for example, that's the B1 battery. B1. I use this connectors, and I just use this to cover it, right? So at the end, you get this. And why I did it, because of this thing. You kind of limited if you put it through here. You kind of limited. You don't have access to the lower two guys, right? But see these two, but you don't have the access to the fifth one, right? But if you put it like I did, sure, this is tight. Then you have extension of the batteries. That's tight. I'm gonna do this. Four of them. That's tight. And the last one here, right? The last one here. There you go. Now everything is protected, no shortcuts. You can always put it like this, and that's it. Take this and you try. Nothing? Why? Because I didn't flip it this back. Flip this one back, it was off. See? Now it's on. Now, voila. Record how much voltage. 54.6, right? So this is, if you come from the other side, this is the normal, the plugging, the plug port for the battery, 60 volts. But what's the problem? Problem is with this. When you have a battery, right, which consists of 5 batteries. So you have 5 batteries. Like for example, the battery number 4. See, the voltage on the battery number 4 is 8.7 volt, right? So that's way below it should, right? So we know it's a battery number 4. Battery number 3 is 11.5. That's good, right? And so on and so on. Battery number 1, in my case, that's the bottom, the 5th one, there on the very bottom, which I have access now here. It's 11.6. So if you know that, the good thing with the 60 volts battery charger is then you can plug and forget about it. But good thing about this is you can put this guy here, battery number 4, right? And you can plug it here, There we go. And you can go. Actually, with this one you can choose. Oh, because it's plugged. Morat ćemo izrezati.
Baterija.
Kako baterija slaba je, mater. Samo što drugo. .6. So battery is 8.6. Oh, okay, that's my bad. You press this guy here and then you check which one do you want to go, right? So you, instead of battery, you want to go for the, instead of lithium polymer, you're going to go for the PB. And that's number 4. 6 amps.
Hey, what are you doing?
See? And now it charges, right? In the beginning it charges slowly, but you can see that the voltage is only 8.8 volt and it's going up. So why is that important? This is important because now you are ready to charge the battery exactly number 4, which you know that in my case it's a, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so this one, the number 4, and is charging, basically balancing from 8 to 12 volts, because if you just connect it serial connection, it's going to be 60 volts, so everything will be 12 volts, but that battery might be 9 volts. By that time, the other batteries will be 14, the other one will be undercharged, will be 9 or 10. And when you put it down and drive it, that battery is gonna be broken, it's gonna be sick, it's gonna be dead pretty soon. So basically it's a lot more work here, but at least you can check the batteries and you can basically charge it independently instead of charging it in serial. Why is that important? Because my charger broke, and plus if I continue to charge my 60 volts charger, 60 volt charger and 60 volt battery, it's okay if they are kind of balanced, but as soon as one, as I showed you here, is below, then you're gonna have a problem. Sooner or later you're gonna have a problem, and then instead of buying another battery, you can charge everything and use it all the time. And that's why lithium polymer batteries are so better, because they have balancers and you can balance. You just plug and balancer works job, which I have to do manually now. But I just want to get whatever juice is left in these batteries before upgrading for the lithium polymer. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Hi YouTubers, second portion of my not self-balancing but kind of balancing charger, LED battery charger. So this one is charging at 3.8 amp rate, and that's a B5 battery. So B5, that's a B3, that's a B2, that's a B1, and this one is B4, right? B4 protective charger, and this one is charging at 5.99, so 6 amp maximum, charger current, and that's as I said before, right? Before battery. So that shows that if you have 5 chargers, you can plug 5 chargers and then independently charge all 5 of the batteries in about 6 to 7 hours, 3 hours, depending on the state. And you can charge each of these. If you have only 2 like I do, then you can charge obviously only 2. And you can perfectly balance your lead battery charger, the lead battery, right, with a little bit more work. And I hope that video helps a little bit in the charging process of the electric battery bike. Of course, lithium battery is much lighter, much better, but much more expensive, and I want to take maximum juice out of these. Thank you, bye bye. Thanks for watching.